Santacruz Chembur Link Road (SCLR) project all set to be completed by 2020. Mmrda news published by Mumbai Live team. The Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority (Mmrda) recently stated that the work of the much-awaited Santacruz Chembur Link Road (SCLR) extension and the Bandra-Vakola elevated flyover will be completed by the end of 2020. 45% of the project is complete and the extension will be accessible to Mumbaikas by the end of this year. The project was introduced with an aim to reduce traffic congestion at Bandra-Kurla complex, which is one of the city's commercial hubs. The 3,500 meters long extension of Santacruz Chembur Link Road, which will start from Bourse Junction and end at the Western Express Highway, and will reduce traffic congestion at Kurla. The Santacruz Chembur Link Road is a 481 crore rupees project which will be a 4-lane flyover, whereas the 1,200 meters elevated BKC Vakola Road will have 2 lanes and is expected to cost 264 crore rupees. Similarly, Mmrda is also building 2 flyovers, one from BKC to the Sea Link which will be 714 meters and the other 640 meters from the Sea Link to BKC, to decongest the arterial Kalangar junction on the VA and the BKC junction. The Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority (Mmrda) announced to open 2 metro lines between Dahisar and Andheri. Work on the Santacruz Chembur Link Road (SCLR) extension, the Bandra-Kurla complex, BKC, Vakola Junction elevated road and the Kalangar Junction revamp was scheduled to be completed this year. Mumbai's Santacruz Chembur Link Road extension delayed by 2 years, to cost 109 crore rupees more. The under-construction extension to the Santacruz Chembur Link Road (SCLR) between Kurla and Vakola has been delayed by 2 years with an increase in cost of 109 crore rupees. The extension from Kapadia Nagar on CST Road near Kurla till the Western Express Highway, near Vakola was expected to be completed by 2020. The work is now expected to be completed by March 2022. According to the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority (Mmrda), which approved the increase in cost in October, the escalation is owing to additional works being undertaken by the contractor, which include relocation of service lines, construction of a retaining wall, widening of the bridge over Mithi River and increasing the length of a span that would be affected owing to the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project. The works were originally awarded to J. Kumar Infra Projects Ltd at 449 crore rupees in 2016, with an aim to complete the project in 36 months. Owing to increasing bottlenecks at Kurla, the extension was proposed to enable quicker east-west connectivity via SCLR. According to Mmrda, around 55% of the civil construction has been completed as of October 2020. Mmrda will receive funds to the tune of 87 crore rupees from the Mumbai Municipal Corporation and the National High Speed Rail Corporation (NHSRCL) to complete the works affected by the proposed bullet train and works along the Mithi River. Read the minutes of the meeting at which the proposal was passed. The extension to the Santacruz Chembur Link Road (SCLR) between Kurla and Vakola, which is presently beneath development, has been delayed by 2 years coupled with a price enhance of 109 crore rupees. This comes because the extension from Kapadia Nagar, CST Road to the Western Express Highway, at Vakola shouldn't be anticipated to be accomplished till not less than March 2022. The earlier deadline for this mission was 2020. The Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority (Mmrda) mentioned that the price enhance is usually because of the further works that being carried out by the contractor together with the relocation of service traces, development of a retaining wall, the widening of the bridge over the Mithi River, and in addition growing the size of a stretch which can be affected because of the proposed Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet practice mission. The company authorized the price enhance for the mission in October. The mission contract was awarded to J. Kumar Infra Projects Ltd at a bid of 449 crore rupees in 2016. At the time, it was anticipated to be accomplished in 36 months. However, as a result of quite a lot of hurdles and bottlenecks at Kurla, the brand new extension was proposed to supply seamless east-west connectivity by means of the Santacruz Chembur Link Road. The Mmrda has additionally mentioned that roughly 55% of the development works had been accomplished as of October this year. The transcript of the not too long ago held assembly mentioned, Mmrda will receive funds to the tune of 87 crore rupees from the Mumbai Municipal Corporation and the National High Speed Rail Corporation (NHSRCL) to complete the works affected by the proposed bullet train and works along the Mithi River. Quote, The COVID-19 pandemic has seen a drastic enhance in value for a variety of civic initiatives, largely as a result of lockdown-related delays. Authorities will now need to take care of the bottom realities and make changes to their spending accordingly.